They're looking for pin cords anywhere in here now. Probably have to dig a little. I thought I see just a point of it. Might have to dig down and get it out. But it's all through here. Well, it used to be all through here. With all the rains we had, I think there'd probably be some more that shows up. Yeah, we've got to come out this way, so if there's something you see, just keep the mental note of where it's at, and we can pick it up on the way back out.